This is a 1949 Dodge stake body pickup. It's at the Paquette Museum, but it's not really part of their exhibition. It's part of a truck show that was held. Very nicely done. You notice that the hood is divided into two segments, one on each side, and there's a handle that you open to raise the hood on either side. Very nice stake body in the back there, very nice. And the interior is painted to match the exterior. Looks like they have a radio there in the center with the big speaker on the right. Nothing fancy about these cars, and they were meant to do a job. In fact, Dodge bragged that it was the trucks were job rated. So you went into your local Dodge truck dealer and told them what kind of work you wanted done by the truck, and they would match the truck that they sold you with that job. Notice that unusual arrangement of windows there in the back. A small back window, but then there are curved windows on either side. Very utilitarian and very dependable. And you notice the ram there in the hood ornament in the front.